It is necessary that the readers or the student should understand that the written alphabet sometimes do not reflect the actual tongue. For example, the Arabic words or written words laha may have no similarity in written form with the spoken form. One pick out the African origin of the word only in the tongue. The tongue has retained its original root, the sound. The words lai in Ouwarre Yoruba language means never in English language. The tongue say lie, thus retaining the African Bantusel root. The Arabic of the word wow means come in English language. The tongue say wow in Ouwarre Yoruba language, thus retaining its African Bantusel root. To the professor or student or followers and subscribers, these are the list of the similarity of the words between Hausa and Swahili language. Bank for English language, while Benki for Swahili language, and also Banki for Hausa language. Then next, thumb and grave for English language, while Kaburi for Swahili language, and also Kabari for Hausa language. The word bench for English language, while benchy for Swahili language, and also bensi for Hausa language. The word dictionary for English language, kamusi for Swahili language, and the kamus for Hausa language. The word tsunami for English language, and also the word tsunami for Swahili language, and lastly the words tsunami for Hausa language, and many more. We now shift our attention to Hausa and Yoruba. The words Sama for Hausa language, while the words Shama for Ouwarre Yoruba language. In English language, it means sky. What about the word Alede for Hausa, while Elede for Ouwarre Yoruba? In English language, it means pig. The commonest statement of the origin is made by the tongue. Now we shall now focus on the similar words between Igbo modern words and Onye Yoruba words. Imu for Onye Yoruba, while Imi for Igbo. In English language, it is called nose. What about Enu for Onye Yoruba, while Onu for Igbo? In English language, it means mouth. Eti for Onye Yoruba, Inti for Igbo means ear in English language. The word Eru for Onye Yoruba language, Ho for Igbo means slave in English language. The words Ouwarre for Onye Yoruba. The words Ewu for Igbo means goat in English language. The words Okuta for Onye Yoruba, while the words Okute for Igbo in English language, it means stone. To the professors and students, in ancient Igbo original language, the words Okwete means stone. Note that the written words does not actually represent same thing as the tongues or words sound from the mouth. To the professors and followers, we shall now shift our attention to Hausa and Onye Yoruba. Similarity of words. Àǹfààní for Hausa, wúlò or àǹfààní to Yoruba. In English language, it means usefulness. The words Abaka for Hausa, the words Orire or Alubarika for Yoruba simply means in English language as blessing. The word Saki for Hausa, while the word Seriki for Onye Yoruba in English language, it means king or chief. Lastly, the word Tuba for Hausa, while Yiwapada for Onye Yoruba in English language, it means repentance. These are only a few examples being presented for the fact To the subscribers or followers and students, the words or names Mohammed and Mohammadu derive from the original Igbo words, which is Umadu. The names Uma and Umaru both emanated from the word or the name Umanua. The readers or the students should note that Bantuse is the only supergroup of the family of the world's languages spoken by all during the One World Africa, which in their classification of races delineated as the Bantu language. They avoided the obvious choice, the Igbo, the origin of the speakers of the Bantuse family of world languages, for same reason, for not wanting the true African history to be known by the world. To the readers or professors and students, the Igbo must who civilized the uncivilized Anya Imberi people, meaning the light complexions Igbo, the Behe Igbos. They are prehistoric Igbos from Umunkezi in now Nigeria, and they spoke Igbo Bantuse language, which the Europeans classify as Arabic language. To the modern Igbo, the Bantustans, the above revelation roots the black moms back to Umunkezi in now Nigeria.